Welcome back, everyone. It's game time and we have Throwback Thursday. Today I have 2006 Upper Deck Future Stars Baseball. I've been thinking a lot about Upper Deck and some of the other companies that used to make baseball and football cards, and just how things have changed over the years, and I really miss it. I really wish that we still had, I know things change, things have to change, but I still wish we had Upper Deck making baseball, Tops making football. I hope in the future there'll be a little bit more variety in each sport as far as the companies go. But anyways, this has 5 rookie autos per box. I, honest to God, cannot remember who the 2006 rookie class consisted of. So, but I'm hoping if we get even one good recognizable player out of this, I'm going to call it a success. Oops, sorry, keep bumping the table. 4 cards per pack, 24 packs per box, so this is going to take a minute. As you can see, it's a small little box. Let's get into it. Should be fun. I'm really enjoying the Throwback Thursday videos. I think I'm going to make that a staple. Something I do every week, just for fun. Some of the older boxes cost quite a bit, but most of them are pretty affordable. Found this on eBay. It was a really good price. 24 packs is a lot, but these, with only 4 cards, these are really thin. Nothing too crazy. So maybe it won't be as long as I thought. Alright, I remember these now. I remember these. So I think there are parallels and numbered cards. I think there's all kinds of goodies in here. And it's not just rookies, obviously, because there's Roger Clemens, Travis Hafner, Josh Beckett, numbered to 99, and Osmani Urita. I don't remember him. Yes, I do. I kind of do. But that's a sweet Josh Beckett. I'm trying to remember, when was Josh Beckett's rookie year? Was it not? Looks like 2001 is the first year they list him with the Marlins. That's a good start. I don't expect the autos to be out of this world, but if I get a couple of good players, that'll be cool. Oh, wow. And this is why you do Throwback Thursday, just to remember players like this. Ivan Rodriguez, he was so... Oh, and Johnny Damon. Here's a Kurt Schilling, numbered to 1799, and a Yadiel Marti World Future Stars rookie. Sweet looking Schilling there. Dontrell Willis, Roy Oswalt. Here's the first auto. Well, there's 2 autos in here. One is Anibal Sanchez, which is not bad at all. And wait till you see who the next one is. That's so funny. These look really good too. And the next one is Howie Kendrick. These are really nice acetate. Wow, that is really cool. I'm glad I chose this box. That's really neat. And Pedro Luis Lazo is the rookie card. So 2 autos in 1 pack. I don't know if that means we'll get extras or that's just how it is. Jeremy Bonderman for the Tigers. Dontrell Willis again. Hideki Matsui. And Chin Lung Hu. Miggy, Roger Clemens, Pedro Martinez when he was with the Mets, and Frederick Cepeda. Reggie Sanders, forgotten about him. Chone Figgins, I think it was Sean, not Chone. And Rich Harden. This is just a 3-card pack. Hey, what happened to my other card? Sean. Although that's a really weird way to spell Sean. Matt Holliday. Miggy, it must not be a big checklist because there's already lots of dupes. Randy Johnson. Wow. And a Yadiel Marty to $4.99 green. Yeah, these rookies, these are like all international players I don't recognize. Maybe that's just that subset. Juan Rodriguez again. Derek Jeter, very nice. A Michael Young to 25. I wish the Jeter had been to 25. That would have been nuts. Wow, what a great looking card. Holy smokes. And Young Chi Chin again. I guess again. Maybe it was a different name. Latimer Guerrero, and now we're all anticipating what his son's gonna do and be. Eric Chavez, Kenji Yohima to $17.99 for the Mariners. There's a regular rookie there, and I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this. Nope. Yes, I will. Nobuhiko Matsunaka. Lance Berkman. I think he's very underappreciated. Reggie Sanders again. Carlos Beltran. And Yondi Garlabo. Wow, these rookie names are international rookie names are like some of the basketball rookie names that are tough. Todd Hilton. A-Rod. Our next auto. Oh, I remember Russell Martin, catcher for the Dodgers. That's a good one too. The autographs have not been half bad. Wish I had something to. There, if I get it in just the right. So that's the third auto. Chin-Min Chang, rookie. World Future Stars. I guess it's the same as rookie. Felipe Lopez, Grady Sizemore, Ricky Weeks, and Yadiel Marty again to this time to $17.99. Parallel. Adam Dunn, Carlos Lee, Eric Gagne to 17. I loved him. He was money when he come into close. Man, that's awesome. Brett Williamberg and Chase Utley. Well, those I can pronounce. Roy Oswalt, Lance Berkman again, David Wright, and Chin-Min Chang to $17.99. Lots and lots of numbered cards in this. Gagne again, Carlos Lee, Todd Helton to $17.99, and Shunsuke Watanabe. I wonder what this box cost when it first came out, because this is some good stuff, and having 5 autos in it, I wish I could remember. This might have an auto. These are pretty thin. It's kind of easy to tell when it's heavier. Jeff Kent, yeah, he was good. Houston Street, and Mike Jacobs. Yeah, that's not bad either. Wow, these are not bad autos. So how many are we at? We've got Jacobs, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Datsuhatsu Matsusaka, Daisuke, and Tyoshi Mishiaka. I know I'm probably just ripping those poor names apart. I'm so sorry. Travis Hafner, Todd Helton, Johan Santana, and Adam Lowen. Here's our last auto. Unless we get an extra, which we might since we got 2 in 1 pack. Victor Martinez, Eric Gagne again, and Josh Rupp. I remember him vaguely, just very vaguely. I don't think he lasted very long. I'll have to do my homework and see. Griffey as a red. Felipe Lopez, Jeff Kent, and Nicholas Dempsey. I know Griffey was with the Reds for a while, but I always picture him as a Mariner. Grady Sizemore, Jeremy Bonderman, Torrey Hunter, and Yi Feng. Victor Martinez, Matt Holliday, a Johnny Damon to $17.99, and Nan Wang. Jeff Kent, Chase Utley, his first Chase, and another autograph, John Lester, and I definitely remember him. So we did get a bonus auto by getting 2 in 1 pack. Very nice. What a nice box this was. Koji Uehara, 2 more packs. Actually, this feels thick too. Is this another auto? Or just an extra card? Sean Figgins, Eric Gagne, Bobby Abreu. Nope, it's just an extra card. Tomaya Sadozaki and Dice K to $17.99. I guess this is the Dice K that I remember. It's funny, this came up the other day in another video and I don't remember last pack if that was the same exact name or not. Let's see, Jim Edmonds, Vlad, Ryan Howard, just a 3-card pack, and Jim Edmonds to $4.99. Tell you a funny story about Jim Edmonds. Back about this time, 2006 probably, my brother was playing a online home run derby contest. It was season long, and the top prize was $10,000. And it comes down to the wire. He's tied with this other guy, this other player, and it's just him and this other guy. And seriously, like the 9th inning, the other guy has Jim Edmonds. Like the 9th inning, Jim Edmonds hits a walk-off home run, causing my brother to get 2nd place instead of 1st. So the prize dropped from like $10,000 down to like $2,000 or something like that. I mean, granted, it was still free money, but after that, my brother was never a big fan of Jim Edmonds. So, and I don't blame him. Anyways, that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. All of these are numbered cards. All parallels and stuff, and then all of these autographs. Let's see if I can hold this up where you can actually see these. There we go, that'll work. So the John, if I hold it down it'll work. John Lester, Josh Rupp, Mike Jacobs, Russell Martin. I think that's my favorite. I always like catchers and Russell Martin, and I love the Dodgers. So Anibal Sanchez and Howie Kendrick, although this is pretty sweet too. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you can be entered in the first 100 people contest. There will be money. There will be a blaster box given away. There will be a DVD, sports DVD given away. I may come up with other stuff between now and then, but go ahead and subscribe so you'll be in that first 100. I will be back with some newer stuff. I hope you're liking Throwback Thursday. Let me know below if you do, or if you have any suggestions. As long as it doesn't cost crazy amount of money, I'm open, and I'll be happy to open whatever y'all want to see. Take care, everybody. Be back soon.